Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. For today's video, I'm going to be doing an empties video. So I'm going to be sharing some products that I have used up. There are some fragrances in here, body care, skin care, even hair care. So you will be seeing me with the same makeup and outfit for maybe like 5 or 6 videos because I took today to pre-film so that I can have content for when I move. So I'm not sure how I'm going to upload them. I just know that I'm kind of like in maniac mode, just filming as much as I can. And these empties can really get out of control if I let them pile up for too long. So I want it to be a quick video, straight to the point, just the products that I have used up, what I repurchase, and do I enjoy them. So if you are new here and you love anything that is girly, beauty, fragrance, body care, self-care, go ahead and subscribe. I would love to see you back for my future uploads because that's pretty much all that we talk about here. And with that said, let's jump right into the empties video. So my throat is dry. I have been talking for like 3 hours, but we're going to get through this. I have some really good empties. So let's start off with the first one. I'm just going to start picking stuff up from here. So I'm not going to divide it into sections. I'm just going to pick it up and let you guys know what the deal is on all of these products. So the first product is from TREEHUT. This is a SHEA sugar scrub. You guys know that these are my favorite body scrubs, and this is in Blue Lagoon. So it's all used up. This has shea butter, red algae, and Dead Sea minerals. This was nice, but it's not my favorite from the TREEHUT ones, just because after a few uses, the scent got very sharp. It was a nice one to use like once in a while, but it's a very like clean linen type of scent. At first I thought I was going to like it and it was going to be kind of like refreshing and fresh, which it is, but it does have kind of like that cotton laundry detergent type of scent. So it's not my favorite, but I used it up. It exfoliates my skin perfectly. So it's definitely one that I will repurchase over and over, just not in this scent specifically. Here we have a fragrance I used up. This is Dior, Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet. It is all gone. This is a very girly, citrusy, floral type of fragrance. It's very flirty, easy to wear, great for year round. And it's also like a very crowd pleasing type of fragrance. So it's a great fragrance if you want to gift it to someone. And it doesn't really last too long. I believe this old formulation had peach in it and peony, if I'm not mistaken. Don't remember the notes exactly. I have the new formulation now and they both smell pretty similar to each other. I will say that the new formulation lasts a little bit longer on my skin than this one did, but it all depends on everyone's skin. So this is a really good one and I went through the entire bottle. Next up, we have a toner. This is Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. This is a hydrating and a pore refining toner. It smells like watermelon, which I am not the biggest fan of the way that the watermelon line smells from Glow Recipe, but this toner is really, really good. It's gentle on the skin if you have sensitive skin. It helps with your pores. I used to use it every morning as a morning toner. I just don't like the smell too much, but the texture of it is really, really nice for those of you who have sensitive or dry skin. You can also use it if you have normal skin. I'm not too sure about oily skin because I don't have oily skin, but for me, it really helped just to exfoliate in a very gentle way each day. So it's kind of a product that will help you every day without it being too harsh or too much, but it's a great one. I would definitely repurchase this one, by the way. Then for vitamin C, I went through this entire HENRIKSEN Banana Bright Vitamin C Serum. I would definitely purchase this again when I don't have any vitamin C products. I am using the JOSIE Claro Que Si serum at the moment, but if I didn't have any vitamin C, I would purchase this one again because my skin is very sensitive to vitamin C products and this did not break me out. It gave me like a glass-like skin, like smoothed out my skin, brightened up my skin, and it's really, really good. It has 15% vitamin C, 5% PHAs, and hyaluronic acid, which helps with hydration. So I would definitely recommend this one. It worked out so nicely for me, and I think it really helped a lot with the texture of my skin as well as like the brightness of my skin. So this is a great product. Next up is my feminine wash, which this is the honey pot, and I got it in the sensitive foaming wash. This is what I buy for my downstairs area, and I buy it over and over again. It does not irritate me, cleans me very nicely, and that's pretty much what this is. There's not much more to say about it. It's dermatologist approved, safe and kind to the skin, cruelty free. And yeah, I just really like this one. It leaves me feeling very fresh and clean, and I love it. So I have repurchased this one. I've probably had like 10 bottles of this at this point. Another body wash that I went through is this Bath and Body Works cucumber and melon. This is the only cucumber and melon product along with the Dove cucumber wash that I like. Don't really enjoy cucumber scents, but since this is mixed, it has cucumber, it has honeydew, cantaloupe, grapefruit, and sheerwood, so it adds a little something to it. So it smells really, really nice for summer, and for hot weather it's really, really refreshing. Next up, I have two Tatcha products here. I have my all-time favorite cleanser. This is a mini size. This is the Tatcha the Deep Cleanse. I've talked about this so many times on my channel. Great for, I think, any skin type. But for dry skin and for sensitive skin, this cleanser is everything. It's not going to break you out. It's gentle on the skin. A lot of Tatcha products are amazing on my skin, and I really do see results. I tried using a different cleanser that had like turmeric. What a disaster. That cleanser just broke out my skin, dried out my skin, and it was just too harsh for me. So I always end up going back to this one along a few others that I have. I also went to an entire the water cream, which is an amazing moisturizer. I would definitely repurchase this again as well. It is empty, and this is a very thin moisturizer. So if your skin doesn't like very thick moisturizers, like I have dry and sensitive skin, but I cannot use goopy thick moisturizers because my skin, I guess, will feel like suffocated and I will break out. So these types of moisturizers are great. It's like a gel, watery consistency, very thin, but it moisturizes the skin. It's great for in the morning time, and also before makeup is when I loved to wear this. I went through another Color Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. It's all done. I have a brand new one that I got during the Sephora sale. This is what I put in my hair before I flat iron my hair, and it just keeps my hair frizz-free, easy to manage, easy to style, and it will keep my hair frizz-free for like 3 or 4 days. It's like a miracle in a bottle, so I would definitely repurchase this. My favorite shampoo, this is JVN and Body shampoo. I've gone through multiple bottles of this. They were kind enough to send over their whole line pretty much, and ever since then I've just been repurchasing it over and over. This is the Daily Volumizing Shampoo. It just leaves my hair squeaky clean, and I go ahead and add like a very moisturizing conditioner because this does leave your hair feeling a little dry, but it's just because it's so clean. But I like that because my scalp tends to get oily quickly, so this prolongs me from getting oily, and it just leaves me very clean, and it smells so good. It smells like a perfume. So great one. I will continue to repurchase that as well. Something new that I tried out for me and for my daughter's hair is this L'Oreal Elvive Total Repair 5. It's like a deep conditioner, and I already bought a new one. We don't use this every day, or like I would say we use it like once a week, because especially my middle daughter, she has curly hair, but it's fine, very thin, but it's curly. And I have myself, I have very thick curly hair. So I had to learn. Each one of my daughters has very different hair. My oldest has super thick hair, but it's more on the wavy side. Then my middle one has more curly hair, but it's thin. She has very little hair. And then my youngest has like a very soft, loose curl. She has like the softest straight at the top, but then it turns into curls at the bottom. So I have to treat all of their hairs differently. And I did notice that this really helps my middle daughter and my oldest daughter as well. I pretty much use it on all of them because it just kind of like makes it easy for me to detangle their hair, and just it just feels super moisturized and shiny and just beautiful. It kind of gives like your hair like a reset. It makes it feel really, really nice. So I am loving this as well. I went through actually I have two body scrubs here. This one is from Sephora. This is the Body AHA Sugar Body Scrub. I went through this entire thing. I wasn't crazy about the scent of this though. That's the only thing that I didn't really like too much. It smells, I don't know, it smells kind of beachy, but in like a weird way. But it's very like oily and it did a good job at exfoliating. So it's really, really good for that. Would I repurchase this one again? I'm not sure, just because the scent, I wasn't too crazy about the scent, but it does exfoliate very nicely. And then I also went through the Velvet Coffee one. Again, not my favorite. I haven't really been loving coffee as much as I used to. Maybe because it's just too hot here. I don't know. But this has shea butter, coffee, Arabica oil, and caffeine. So it does exfoliate amazing. No complaints there. Just not my favorite scent. Okay, I also went through Ariana Grande's Cloud. This is empty as well. This is one of my husband's favorite fragrances on me, as well as my favorite type of smell. Like, I really like this smell. But the only thing that gets me upset about Ariana Grande's Cloud is that it just kind of disappears after a while. I can't smell it myself. Other people will smell it on me, but I can't really smell it. And I like to smell my perfumes on myself. So that's the only negative thing I would say about this. But it's a great celebrity affordable fragrance. Really, really nice. Would I repurchase this again? I think I would, just to wear it like on casual days. But I would just have to find something to layer it with. I don't know. And then I also went through this travel size of the 7 Virtues Coconut Sun, which you guys know I got the full size of it. It's in my collection already. I went through this travel size literally in like a week. I love this fragrance. It's like the perfect coconut, lime, citrusy, airy, a little salty type of scent. Perfect. It's literally one of my favorite summer fragrances for this year. I also went through this Paula's Choice Pro Collagen Multi-Peptide Booster. I love this. I will definitely repurchase this in the future. I am using a different drops from The Ordinary, which kind of work the same way, but this is so nice. I would take like 2 or 3 drops of this and mix it into my moisturizer. It pairs really nicely with the water cream, and it would give me glass skin, and it will plump up my skin. It helped my fine lines. I love this. I recommend it a lot. And it is pricey, but you literally only need like 2 or 3 drops. So it lasted me, I would say like 3 months, or maybe, yeah, around 3 months. I have here a Josie MARAN whipped argan oil, and this is the ultra hydrating body butter. This is the unscented one. This is one of my favorite body butters. I love it. I recommend it. It's super hydrating. It leaves your skin very glowy, almost like if you applied an oil to your skin, but not greasy. So it sinks into your skin. It feels really, really good. And you can layer this with any fragrances because it doesn't have a scent. They do have some that are scented. I haven't tried the scented ones, but the unscented is so good and it leaves your skin so nice. I think I can scoop some up to show you because there's still some left in here a little bit, but here it is. And it just goes into the skin easily. As you can see, doesn't take a lot of rubbing in, because there are certain moisturizers that I have to sit there and like just keep on working it into the skin, and it's kind of like, it's annoying, but it leaves the skin so moisturized. Look at that. So I definitely need another one of these once I move. I'm trying to go through whatever I have left in my collection. Ooh, here's another good cleanser. This is Glow Recipe Avocado Ceramide Moisture Barrier Cleanser. I went through this for dry skin. It's literally up there with my Tatcha one, but this one's more for like, I would say, people with dry or normal skin, because it feels really moisturizing, but it still leaves your skin feeling very clean. Really, really good cleanser. I will definitely repurchase that. Uplifting Boost Neroli Blossom and Bergamot from Bath & Body Works. This is the cleanser. I went through this entire bottle. This pairs so nicely with any like beachy, summery scents, especially with neroli, so Tom Ford Soleil Blanc, and those types of scents like that. This is perfect for that. I don't know if they're still selling it, but I would repurchase this as well. Peter Thomas Roth Firm Collagen Hydrogel Face and Eye Patches. I went through this entire tub. This one brings a little thing to grab them, and then it's empty, but this brought 2 patches to go under your eyes, and then in the middle they added another patch that you can put either like on your forehead, on your smile lines, just anywhere that you wanted to target. But I will say I prefer the firming ones and the cucumber ones. over these. These were nice and they do help the under eye area, but my firming ones, I definitely notice a difference when I use those. I'm not sure if I would repurchase this one. Fenty Skin. This is the Instant Reset Overnight Recovery Gel Cream. Love the packaging of this. And what I like is when you get out of the shower, your hands are usually still damp. It's hard to open stuff up, but since this is up, you can literally twist it and open it up. So I really like that. And then you just scoop out your product and put it on your face. It's a very nice packaging, and the moisturizer itself worked really nicely on my skin. So I would definitely repurchase this as well. Peace Out Acne Dots. These are empty. You guys know how much I talk about these whenever I get a breakout that's like hurting and I want it to go down in size, or those whiteheads that are just ready to come out. You will put one of these stickers on there overnight. When you wake up, all of that gunk will be on the sticker and you'll be able to just take it out. And it helps with the size. It helps for you not to pick at your acne, because I used to do that and I am left with a lot of like scarring here from high school when I did that. But with these, I do not pick at my acne, or at least I try not to. Sometimes I do, and that's when I get scarring. But if I just treat them with these, they go down and I'm not left with a scar. Next up, I have the Ole Henriksen Beam Cream Smoothing Body Moisturizer. This is great. I don't like the smell of it either. It smells kind of like, I don't know, like if it's medicated or something, but this will smooth out your skin really nicely. It will help get rid of any bumps. I'm very prone to getting KP on my skin, like on the back of my arms, on my thighs. So these types of products that have AHAs and enzymes and things like that really help to keep my skin very smooth and clear. So I would definitely repurchase this one. I wish that they would just kind of either add some type of scent or something to kind of take away from that like medicinal type of scent that it has. Clinique Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly. Oh, this is so good as well for the morning time. So before I used the water cream, I was using this one. I just like how light it is in consistency for the daytime. I love it for that. So that's really good. I would definitely repurchase this one as well. And then the last product is this Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Oil Mist. This is an oat oil with jojoba oil. Definitely conditions the skin, moisturizes, just to help your skin feel really soft and smooth. And I do like that it's a spray, so that when your hands are damp or all that, it's easy to just apply it. So this is definitely one that I would repurchase in the future as well. So that is it. Those are all of my empties at the moment. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below if you love any of these products. And that's going to be it for me today. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Ooh, la, 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 la. Ooh, la, la.